In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp with consulting clients. We'll walk through setting up a dedicated space, importing a proven consulting template, and touring the key views you'll use to manage client work with confidence. Start by opening your browser and heading to clickup.com. In the top right, click Login. On the sign-in page, choose Continue with Google, then select your Google account to get into your workspace quickly. Using a single sign-on keeps things simple and secure. Once you're in, create a dedicated space for your consulting work. Look for the Create Space option and open it. A separate space helps you keep client operations neatly organized and makes it easier to share only what's relevant with your team or stakeholders. Instead of building everything from the ground up, click Use Templates. In the Template Library's search bar, type Consulting Services Template. This template gives you an out-of-the-box structure tailored for consultants, so you're not reinventing the wheel. When you find it, click Use Template. If you see a second confirmation, click Use Template again. It may take a moment to import. While it loads, here's what's happening behind the scenes. ClickUp is adding pre-built lists, docs, and views that map to a typical consulting lifecycle. You'll get a standardized way to track onboarding, delivery, reviews, and wrap-up, plus guidance on how to use each component effectively. When the import finishes, open the new Consulting Services space. Inside, start with the Template Guide. This is your quick start manual. It explains what's included, why it's structured this way, and how each part supports client delivery. Next, open the playbook. Think of this as your consulting blueprint. It outlines common workflows, meeting cadences, and best practices so you and your team work consistently across engagements. Then open the process document. This breaks down the client journey step by step, from intake to handoff. Use it to align your team on definitions, exit criteria, and responsibilities at each stage. Move over to the project portfolio view. Here you'll see all client projects in one place with statuses and progress at a glance. It's ideal for weekly reviews and spotting risks early. Open My Work to see tasks assigned to you, consolidated across the space. This keeps your daily priorities crystal clear without digging through lists. Check out Workload to visualize capacity and make sure no one is over or underutilized. It's helpful for planning sprints or scheduling deliverables. Finally, open the box view. This organizes work by person or category, offering a clean, high-level snapshot of who's doing what. With these views and docs in place, you're ready to manage consulting clients in ClickUp efficiently and professionally.